Yeah, they're howling, but that's because you're sliding. The slip angle is crazy. I think it's going to be a 130. And that's with my heavy ass here, so that's pretty good. 129.9, look at that. New personal best. Okay, brake, delay the turn in. Now, turn in. Throttle, open the wheel, throttle. That was much faster.
87.
Much faster, yeah. 87 is good, that's average. Most people are like high 80s, low 90. That's much better. Yep, off the brake, carry the speed. It's a very crazy feeling to carry the speed, but it works. Even here.
This was good.
Yep.
Oh my God.
Come into throttle, full. Light brake, turn in, power. Power. Here, power. We're catching him. Hard brake, second gear. Beautiful. Too much slip angle, but that's okay. Good exit. Amazing. I think RS4 will give you half a second probably. Off the brake. Yeah, a little bit too much brakes there. Yep. Beautiful. Yeah, right onto the curb, rotates the car, full throttle. Light lift and full throttle. That corner, you can take it flat for sure. Yeah, you're working hard. I'm working you too hard. But you're going faster, so that's okay.
Oh, yes.
129.5. So that's even, 129.7. Okay, so similar to the later turn in. Yep, in. And now you can slowly throttle and open the wheel.
Oh, yes.
Much higher corner speed. Much higher.
Nice.
That was good. So, yep, hard brake, third gear. Off the brake, turn in. Off the brake, off, in. 94! Hard brake. Don't blow this corner, in. Yeah, that's how you do turn 2. That's how you do it.
Wow.
It's about release the brake, release. Beautiful. Here, you know what you're doing. A little bit less throttle, a little bit later. Okay, lap is done.